Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Glad y'all are here today. Come along and spend the day with us. It's another busy day here on the farm. Right now we're down here at one of our hay fields. We actually don't own this land, but it's family land and Andy has the hay rights to it. So this is where we get our hay from. We mow all of our own hay. Unfortunately, it is Sunday. Me and the kids are on our way to church. We stopped by to make sure everything was all right, but you got to make hay when the sun shines. If you remember from last year's video, we had this beautiful hay just like this. Got rained on twice. The weatherman missed it last year, so let's hope that don't happen this year. But it's real pretty and thick out through there. I'll link a video. This is the old homestead. If you've watched that video of us touring the old homestead, right there's the house to it.
Here's the hay. Here's the hay. Kind of wet.
We're headed to church. We'll catch y'all when we get back.
No, I wouldn't. Yeah. All right. Whoa. Go. Go.
Headed to get the cow trailer. Now it's time for Mr. Bull to go back home. He's my daddy's bull, so we gotta take him back to Mom and Daddy's. Andy's daddy's cow trailer is the community cow trailer, so you kind of have to go find it when it's time when you need it. So.
This time it's actually at the grandma's house. It's never somewhere it's supposed to be, but Daddy's actually got it put up under the barn shelter at the grandma's, so that's what we're going to do.
So yeah, I'm gonna try something. I don't know how it's gonna work. I just have the trailer out in the middle of the pasture. I don't exactly have a load and chute. I've got a stall under the building, but I'm gonna see if I can coax this bull up on the trailer that's out here in the pasture. He loves treats. He's very food motivated. Fingers crossed. We'll see. I got him on there. I hope y'all enjoyed the show. Took me a few times, but it worked, y'all. It worked. I'm sad to see him go, but his job here is done. He's been here about 3 months, so back to his home he's gonna go. Bye, Mr. Bull. I did spoil him while he was here. Back home, and it is time for our home cooked meal of the night. So I feel like there's like a happy medium with some of this stuff, and occasionally you just have to call it a pizza. So that's what we're having for supper tonight. It's been a very busy day, and we're not done yet. So we're back out of the garden at the house. We got to get these tomatoes trellised up. They're getting big enough now. They're gonna start falling over anytime. So last year we did the Florida weave.
Yep.
And it was our first year trying it. Really like doing it that way, but we learned a couple of things. Make sure that you got strong enough posts to hold up heavy tomatoes and strong enough string to hold up heavy tomatoes. I had posts breaking and I had strings breaking once the tomatoes got really big and started to fall over. The string and the posts couldn't hold it. The posts we were using out here last year were tobacco sticks, so anybody knows anything about tobacco sticks, it happens. So we're doing T-posts this year.
I wonder if we have enough T-posts.
Maybe you should go like every third one.
Yeah, because with T-posts, you ought to be able to pull it from the back of it.
Yeah. Y'all check out our pretty cabbage plants along here. We moved where we usually plant our cabbage, and I'm just gonna tell y'all, me and Andy cannot grow a cabbage for nothing in this world, for whatever reason. And they're really liking it down here on this spot of the fence, which is kind of downhill. All the soil washes this way. It's a little better dirt on this end. And we've got sunflowers in between and some marigolds, which they're kind of shading out the marigolds, but pretty proud of these right here. And then we got popcorn coming up right through here. So these right here are some seedlings that I started. I just kind of threw some seeds in this bucket here. Actually, then the dog dug them up, and I just kind of prayed and hoped and prayed they'd come up. And they did. They made some pretty plants. Only thing is, I don't know what they are now besides the brandywines. I've got some San Marzanos, some red snappers, and some pink brandywines. The brandywines, you can always tell.
They're right there.
They got them leaves like that instead of your regular tomato leaves. The rest of them, though, your guess is as good as mine. Till they get tomatoes on them. The San Marzanos are kind of like the Roman tomatoes, shaped like that, and the red snappers are a good eating tomato. So we'll see.
We got way too many.
That wraps up today's video. Appreciate y'all joining us today and just kind of come along with us. Hope you learned a little something along the way. And anyways, we'll see you on the next one.
Have a good one, y'all.